Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are driving into the inventory and warehouse management process in Microsoft Dynamics 365 supply chain management. You will see how inbound and outbound logistic, quality check, inventory control, and warehouse operation work together to streamline your entire supply chain. As you can see in the screen, there is a image or diagram which illustrates the typical process of an organization by using the inventory management and warehouse management module in supply chain management. You can use inventory and the warehouse management module to perform several tasks like inbound operation, outbound operation like quality assurance, warehouse operations, um, outbound operations, and inventory control. Now, inventory and warehouse management are operational backbone of any product-based business, which with Dynamics 365 you can control everything from receiving product to shipping them out, all while keeping your stock level, quality, and cost in checks. As you can see in the image, we have first in the left side we have inbound operation. In inbound operation there is two section, that is receive products and put away item. So let's try to understand what does it actually mean. It means when new stock arrives from vendor or production, it's first received and then stored in designated warehouse location. Let's take an example, real world example. Amazon receives 5,000 new headphones from the supplier. So warehouse staff scan and store them in a shelf A3. A3 is nothing but a shelf ID in the warehouse location. Now in the second part, as you can see, quality assurance is there. In the quality assurance vertical, there is a test products and set products on hold. What does that actually mean? It means that after items are received, some are tested to ensure they meet the quality standards. Products may be held back if they fail the inspection. For example, take one real world example. In the previous example, I have given that Amazon receives 500 new headphones, right? So out of those 500 headphones, 300 are randomly tested and 50 units have sound issue and are placed on hold for return or rework. So this is nothing but the quality assurance in the inventory or the warehouse management. This third one in the vertical, you can see warehouse operations, where it is involved track warehouse activities and optimize and maintain the warehouse activities. So what does it actually mean? It means warehouse operation involve real-time monitoring of the inventory movement, which item is moving to which location, which storage location, in which dimensions. Also these are all tracked. Also space utilization in the warehouse, there is a equipment, also there is a personal efficiency also required in the warehouse management for the optimize and maintain the warehouse activities. Let me give one example. A dashboard shows that aisles B is frequently congested. So on that case, the manager reassigns peak zones to improve the flow of the item. So this is the real world scenario and how the manager resolve the issue. After that, in the image or in the diagram, you can see beside the warehouse there is an outbound operation. So outbound operation can be several type. It can, in these operations, there are functions like prepare, shipment and packing the operations, pick the items, containerized products and ship products. So these are all function in the related to outbound. What does that actually mean? It means outbound means this involves order fulfillment, selecting items for storage, picking them. Optionally, sometimes we need to containerize those products which is required to containerize, and shipping to the customer. Let's take an example here. A customer orders 100 headphones. The system generates a pick list. Items are packed inside a box and the shipment is scanned onto a truck. So this is the process. After the customer orders 100 headphones, the system generates a pick list, then items are packed inside a box and the shipment is scanned onto a truck. Now you can see that in the right side there is a inventory control. There are several functions like define the cost structure, define the prices and price structure, close inventory, adjust inventory, recalculate inventory. So these are some common inventory control related functions or operations that you might need to do in your day-to-day activities. So what does it actually mean, the inventory control? Let me explain in very short. Inventory control ensures the functional and the physical accuracy of your stock. You manage cost calculation, price list, adjustment and end of the period inventory closing. Each and every company break their financial year in a several parts and several periods. Let's take one example. They separated each year in a monthly wise. At the month end, they checks the discrepancies are found or not in the system. So if at the month's end discrepancies are found in the headset inventory, a recount and cost recalculation correct the variance and the inventory is closed for that period after everything is resolved. Okay, so these functions may seem operational, but they enable the strategic impact by ensuring that the right products are in the right place at the right cost and the quality. So for this particular inventory and warehouse management, there is a several benefits like accuracy, stock visibility, better product quality control, efficient warehouse process, improved cost management. It can reduce the order errors and delays. Okay, so there are several advantages. You can if you think you will get several advantages of whatever I discussed. So this is all about this particular picture and diagram I have just explained, right? So if you have any question, you can ask. Inventory and the warehouse management in Dynamics 365 is more than logistic. It's about creating a lean, responsible and intelligent supply chain. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, you can drop in the comment section. So thank you again. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.